Hey, it's Rue. In today's video, we'll be making the Pickleback. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Irish whiskey, I have here Jameson, and a Pickleback mixer. I have here fennel, 2 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab them. The only tool that we're going to need are 2 shot glasses. First step, grab your Jamie whiskey. We'll be pouring 1 shot of Jamie into the glass. Set that shot aside. And the last step is the Pickleback mixer. We'll be pouring 1 shot of Pickleback into the glass. First, what you're going to do is take a shot of the Jamie, and then second, a shot of Pickleback mixer. There you go, my friends. The Pickleback. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.